Welcome to one kanji a day. Today a special one. You have landed in Japan, you are standing in front of a machine, and it is asking you what you want. Cash is still king here, and every screen, every note, every price tag is kanji.
The money side genuinely scares me. I just tap buttons at the ATM and hope for the best.
By the end of this, you will read the ATM, find the bank, know the notes in your wallet, and understand every price tag. 10 characters. Let us get you paid.
Start with the one that is on every price in the country. This round-looking character.
That is N, and the world calls it yen. It means circle, and it is the name of the money. Every price ends with this character. Sen N is 1,000 yen. See it, and you know you are looking at a price.
So, the character sitting after a number is just telling me that number is money.
Exactly. Number first, then this character. That is a price every single time.
Next one. I have seen this on signs and someone told me it also means Friday.
Good memory. That is kin, or kane. It means gold, and it means money. Okane is the everyday word for money. It is also the character in kinyobi, Friday.
So, anywhere this shows up, money is somehow involved.
Right. Ryokin is a fee. Daikin is the payment. Wherever you spot this character, somebody is talking about money.
Now this one looks almost the same as the last one.
Sharp eye. That is gin, silver. It shares the left side with gold because both are metals. On its own it means silver, and paired with the next character, it gives you the most useful word of the day.
Which word is that?
Ginko, the bank. Silver plus go. Find this character on a building, and you have found somewhere to get cash.
So, the second half of Ginko is this go character.
That is it. Ko, or iku, to go. Ginko, bank, is literally the place the silver goes. Ryoko means travel. This character is on bank signs and ATM screens all over the country.
Silver plus go equals bank. That is oddly easy to remember.
That is the trick with kanji. 2 characters, 1 word, and now you can find a bank from across the street.
At the airport, there was a counter with this character on it.
That is ryo, meaning both. Ryogai means currency exchange, literally swapping both sides. That counter takes your dollars or euros and hands back yen.
So, this is what I look for when I land with foreign cash in my pocket.
Exactly. Ryoge at the airport, at the bank, or at the post office. See this character and you can change your money.
Let us talk notes. This one is on the smallest bill I am carrying.
That is sen, 1,000. The sen-en satsu, the 1,000 yen note, is your everyday bill. Coffee, lunch, a train ticket. This is the note you will hold most often.
So, this character means I am holding 1,000 yen.
You are roughly $7, give or take. It is your workhorse note.
And this one is on the big note the ATM gave me.
That is man, 10,000. Ichiman en, 10,000 yen, is the biggest common note and what a machine usually hands you. Japanese counts in units of 10,000 rather than thousand, so this character matters.
So, the ATM gives me these, and then I break them somewhere.
Exactly what locals do. Buy something small at a kombini, take the change, and now you have notes you can actually spend.
Shopping now. This character keeps turning up next to prices.
That is takai or ko. It means high, and it means expensive. Takai says the price is steep. It is the same character in Koko, high school, and in anything tall.
So this one is a warning that my wallet is about to hurt.
Pretty much. Spot it, and you know you have wandered into the expensive aisle.
Then I am guessing this next one is the good news.
You guessed right. Yasui, cheap. It also reads as an, meaning peaceful and calm. Cheap and calm, the same character, which is honestly decent life advice. Yasui means the price is low.
Cheap and peaceful. That is my kind of character.
Look for it on sale signs. Yasui, gekiyasu. All of it means your money is going further.
Last one. This is on the screen right when I am about to check out.
That is harau, to pay. Shiharai means payment. On an ATM or a register screen, this character sits on the button that moves your money. Genkin barai is paying by cash. Kado barai is paying by card.
So this is the character on the pay button.
That is it. And now you know exactly what you are agreeing to before you press it.
Yen, money, silver, go, exchange, 1,000, 10,000, expensive, cheap, pay. I think I could actually use a Japanese ATM tomorrow.
That is the whole idea. You can find the bank, change your cash, read your notes, judge the price, and pay with confidence. One kanji a day, and money in Japan stops being a guessing game. See you tomorrow.